Hey there, moneymakers! Ever wondered how you can make some extra cash from the comfort of your home without spending a single dime? Well, today, I've got an exciting opportunity for you testing and reviewing websites and apps. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to start earning money online for free. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. Welcome back to the channel, where we teach you the best ways to make money online without any investment. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now, so what does it mean to test and review websites and apps? Companies worldwide are constantly developing new websites and applications, and they need real users like you to test them for usability and functionality. It's a win-win situation. They get valuable feedback and you get paid for your time and opinions. Sounds amazing, right? But where do you start? Here are some of the top platforms where you can sign up as a tester. User Testing, one of the most popular platforms out there. You get paid $10 for every 20-minute video you complete. Try Maui UI, another great option, offering $10 per test. Userlytics pay varies depending on the test, ranging from $5 to $90. Respondent focuses on high-paying research studies, often in the $50 to $250 range. Signing up is super easy. Let me show you how. First, head over to the website, fill out your profile, and take a sample test to demonstrate your skills. Once you're approved, you'll start receiving test invitations. Here's a quick look at how a typical test works. You'll follow a set of tasks like navigating through a website or trying out different features of an app, all while recording your screen and sharing your thoughts out loud. It's simple, and the best part is you can do it anytime, anywhere. Now let's talk tips to maximize your earnings. Be honest, companies value genuine feedback. If something doesn't work, let them know. Be detailed. The more detailed your feedback, the better. This can lead to more test invitations. Stay consistent. Regularly check your email for new test opportunities and complete them promptly. Expand your reach. Sign up on multiple platforms to increase the number of tests you receive. And there you have it. Testing and reviewing websites and apps is a fantastic way to make money online without any investment. So why not give it a try today? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite money-making tips, and share this video with your friends. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.